Now, students, in last video we had derived formula for packing efficiency in BCC, FCC and body center cubic, as well as we derived the formula for density of unit cell. Now some questions, numericals. Solved example given 1.3. I think it was asked in last year board exam for 3 mark or 2 marks, I don't know, but this question was asked. It is 1.3 example. An element has BCC structure, cell edge length is 288 picometer. Edge length is given 288 picometer and it is BCC, it's given. क्या पता लगेगा BCC से? Z is 2. Number of atoms in BCC unit cell is 2. Further it is given the density of element 7.2 gram per centimeter cube. Density is given 7.2 gram per centimeter cube. What we have to determine, how many atoms are there in 208 gram element? Number of atoms we have to determine in 208 gram element. Mass of element is given, we have to determine number of atoms. First we will calculate capital M, molecular mass. First we will calculate molecular mass of the compound or element. Density ગ્રામ પર સેન્ટીમીટર ક્યુબમાં આપેલી છે તો આ જે એ છે એજ લેન્થ એ બી સેન્ટીમીટરમાં હોવું જોઈએ. હાઉ ટુ કન્વર્ટ ધીસ ઇન્ટુ સેન્ટીમીટર? BCC will write here. It's 288 multiplied by 10 to power 1 picometer is 10 to power minus 12 meter and 10 to power minus 10 centimeter. 10 to power minus 10 centimeter, or we can write it as it's 2.88 into 10 to power minus 8 centimeter. Conversion very important. If you will forget to convert picometer into centimeter, your question will be wrong. Why we are converting it into centimeter? Because density is given in gram per centimeter cube, that's why. Now we will apply the formula. D equals capital M Z A cube into N. Density हमको निकालना है कैपिटल M. So कैपिटल M को सब्जेक्ट बनाओ. D A cube Z upon A cube Na upon Z. Put up all the values except Na. N will be density 7.2, A cube 2.88 into 10 raised to power minus 8 the whole cube multiplied by Na will keep as it is, divided by Z is 2 because there are 2 atoms in BCC, that is body centered cubic. If you solve this, then you will have the total molecular mass of the compound. Solve करू पड़से 7.2 એને કટ કરો એટલે 3.6 થાય. It's 3.6 multiplied by 2.8 का क्यूब अगर अपन निकालें so મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરીને ગોતવું પડે. જે આવે એ તમારે લખી લેવાનું અહીંયા. મલ્ટીપ્લાઇડ બાય 10 to power minus 24 ml. This would be the molecular mass. अब number of atoms कैसे निकालेंगे? We know that in this molecular mass total number of atoms are Na. Then in 208 gram, how many atoms are there? Just cross multiply and calculate the number of atoms. So it comes out to be number of atoms. It will be 24.16 into 10 to power 23. 24.16 into 10 to the power 23. कैसे किया? ये सब गिवन है. Okay, density की फॉर्मूला अप्लाई किए. M is the molecular mass that we have to determine. Atomic mass that we have to determine. Density की वैल्यू प्लेस किया, A प्लेस किया, Na as it is रखा, Z is 2. If you solve this, અહીંયા શું મૂકવાનું છે? આનું ક્યુબ કરીને મૂકવાનું. 2.88. ઓકે, હું લખી દઉં છું. 2.88 ક્યુબ. કેલ્ક્યુલેટરમાં કરી લેવાનું. જે ક્યુબ આવે અહીંયા મૂકી દેવાનું. These gram have Na atoms. 208 gram has how many atoms? So if we solve, then you will have 24.16 into 10 to the power 23. Second type of numericals will be like we know that corner atom, total corner in a unit cell are 8, face center are 6, and body center 1. How many edge centers are there? 12. ન્યુમેરિકલ પર્પસ માટે યાદ રાખવાનું. પછી એનું કોન્ટ્રીબ્યુશન. Corner atom contribute, yes, sharing we can say. So sharing of corner atom is 1/8. I explained in theory. Face center atom half, body center no sharing, edge center 1/4. This we have to remember for solving numerical. Now suppose question is given, a compound is made up of A, B, C. 3 elements are there. Compound is formed from A, B and C. A atoms are arranged at the corner. A atoms are arranged at corner. B atoms are arranged at face center. And C atoms arranged at edge center. Compound is made up of A, B, C. A atoms are present at the corner. B atoms are present at face center. C atoms are present at edge center. What is the empirical formula of the compound? Just we have to calculate the ratio in which these atoms are present. कैसे निकालेंगे देखिए. A, B और C. 3 are there. Where A is present? At the corner. Where B is present? At face center. Where is C present? Edge center. Okay. Total atom કેટલા હોય એ મૂકી દેવાના. Corner માં 8, face center માં 6 અને edge center માં 12. Multiply them by their contributions. 8 corner ઉપર હોય તો 8 atom થોડા ગણે. 8 corner ઉપર atoms present હોય તો 1 atom આવે per unit cell. So multiply by its contribution, that is 1/8. એનું sharing half, એનું sharing 1/4. So how many atoms? Here 1, here 3, and here also 3. 8 multiplied with 1 is 3, and here it will be 4 3s and 4. So what is the formula of compound? This is the ratio in which the atoms are present, A, B and C. So empirical formula of the compound will be A, B3, C3. So compound A, B3 and C3. Suppose इसी question में एक modification करें. Same question. Compound made up of A, B, C. A present at the corner, B is the face center, C is the edge center. હવે આપણને એમ કે 2 corner atom removed. 2 corner atom remove કર્યા. 2 corner atom removed. 2 face center atom removed. 2 face center atom removed. And 2 edge center atom also removed. 2 edge center atom also removed. मतलब टोटल कॉर्नर पे कितना एटम प्लेस किए हुए हैं? अब 8 नहीं, कितने? 6. यहाँ पे कितने एटम्स हैं? 4. 2 रिमूव. यहाँ पे कितने एटम्स होंगे? 10. कॉन्ट्रीब्यूशन में कहीं फर्क ना पड़े. તમે એટમ્સ રિમૂવ કર્યા છે તો હવે A, B, C માં કેટલા એટમ્સ આવે? A કોર્નર ઉપર હોય તો 6 એટમ્સ because 2 રિમૂવ. B સ્પેસ સેન્ટર હોય તો 4 એટમ્સ because 2 રિમૂવ. C એજ સેન્ટર હોય તો 10. 12 હતા, બે વયા ગયા 10. મલ્ટીપ્લાય બાય ધેર કોન્ટ્રીબ્યુશન. Half. આનું કેટલું? 1/4. So this will be 3/4. This would be 2. And this would be 5/2. Empirical formula तो आ गया. क्या है? A is 3/4, B is 2, and C is 5/2. But we are not writing formula like this. A 3/4, B 2, and C 5/2. हम थोड़ा लखिए अपने फॉर्मूला का एक सिंप्लिसिटी में रखिए नहीं. आ रेशियो ने सॉल्व कर लेવાનું. કેવી રીતના સોલ્વ થાય રેશિયો? મલ્ટીપ્લાય ઓલ ધ નંબર્સ બાય 4. So this would be 3/4 multiplied by 4, 2 multiplied by 4, and this would be 5/2 multiplied by 4. This cancelled. This will become 2. So now what's the formula? A become 3, B 8, and C will be 10. So what's the formula? A 3, B 8, and C 10. This is the formula. So lots of questions may be asked. 3 corner atom remove, 3 face center atom remove, और एज पे से रिमूव ना करें. अब फॉर्मूला बना तो ये एटम्स चेंज हो सकते हैं, जैसा वो बोले वैसा प्लेस करना है और रेशियो आपको फाइंड करना है. ओके, थर्ड टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चंस आर regarding voids. Theory we had completed, and one formula is there for this. Suppose we have total atoms in CCP arrangement. In CCP arrangement, n total atoms n. Then how many tetrahedral voids are there? Total tetrahedral voids will be tetrahedral voids 2n. How many octahedral voids? Equal to the number of atoms. ये जब थियरी पढ़ाया था तब बताया था कि टोटल एटम्स अगर n है तो उतने ही ऑक्टाहेड्रल वॉइड होते हैं और उसके डबल टेट्राहेड्रल वॉइड होते हैं, बिकॉज द साइज ऑफ टेट्राहेड्रल वॉइड इज स्मॉल कम्पेयर टू ऑक्टाहेड्रल. એટલે નાની સાઇઝ છે એટલે નંબરમાં ડબલ હોય છે. સપોઝ વી હેવ 4 એટમ્સ ઇન અ યુનિટ સેલ. 4 atoms are arranged in CCP. Then how many octahedral void will be there? 4. How many tetrahedral void will be there? Double, that is 8. Okay. Now how the numericals will be asked on it? Question will be, compound is made up of X, Y, Z or A, B, C. X, Y, Z. 3 elements are there in a compound. They are X, Y and Z. Z atoms are arranged. Z atoms are arranged CCP. Z atoms are arranged in cubic closed packing CCCP or FCC. Y atoms arranged in octahedral void. Okay, and X atoms are in tetrahedral. How the arrangement is? Total Z atoms arranged in CCP. Sorry, Z atoms are arranged in CCP. Y element arranged in octahedral void, X element arranged in tetrahedral void. अब क्वेश्चन में वो ऐड कर रहा है 1/4 of tetrahedral void covered up. 1/4 of tetrahedral void covered. जितने हो उसमें से 1/4 covered हो रहे हैं. What is the formula of the compound? શું ફોર્મ્યુલા થશે? કેવી રીતના સોલ્વ કરવાનું? ચાલો એને જવા દો, અત્યારે આપણે સિમ્પલ વાળું સમ કરીએ. આ અત્યારે નથી. ક્લિયર? વોટ્સ ધ ક્વેશ્ચન? X, Y, Z are the elements in a compound. Z atoms form CCP arrangement, Y form octahedral void, and ZX will be in tetrahedral void. What is the formula of the compound? Empirical formula of compound. See what is the relation. सबसे पहले आप X, Y और Z 3 एटम को लिख लिया. Z कहाँ पे अरेंज किया है? CCP में. Where the Y atom arranged? Octahedral void. What is X atom where arranged? Tetrahedral void. Now write down the ratio. This is the ratio. Suppose n atoms are there in CCP. Octahedral void will be n and tetrahedral void will be 2. Clear? Suppose n atoms are there, n octahedral voids will be there and 2 and tetrahedral voids will be there. अब इसमें तो कोई मॉडिफिकेशन उसने किया नहीं है क्वेश्चन में. What is the ratio in these 3? It's n तो कैंसिल हो जाएगा तीनों में. 2, 1 and 1. So what's the formula? X2, Y and Z. अब सपोज इसमें कुछ वेरिफिकेशन करें. आज સમની અંદર એમ કે આપણને જેમ મેં તમને પહેલા કીધું હતું कि half octahedral void covered up and 1/4 tetrahedral void covered up. બધા નથી ભરાતા, બધા નથી ઓક્યુપાઈડ. કેટલા ઓક્યુપાઈડ છે? જેટલા અવેલેબલ હોય એમાંથી હાફ ઓક્ટાહેડ્રલ વોઇડમાં એટમ્સ છે અને 1/4 ટેટ્રાહેડ્રલ વોઇડમાં એટમ્સ છે. હવે આ જ રેશિયો કેવી રીતના ચેન્જ થઈ જશે? સી હિયર x y z, how this ratio will change, or we can find out the ratio. Again we will write x, y and z. Z arranged in CCP, y is octahedral void and this is tetrahedral void. What's the ratio? n and 2. આમાં કોઈ ચેન્જ નથી. હવે જે એને કાંઈ મોડિફિકેશન આપ્યું હોય એ અમે આપને ચેન્જ કરવાનું. કેવી રીતના? એને કીધું છે હાફ ઓક્ટાહેડ્રલ વોઇડ કવર્ડ અપ. મેક ઇટ ઓક્ટાહેડ્રલ વોઇડ હાફ. એને કીધું છે 1/4 ટેટ્રાહેડ્રલ વોઇડ કવર્ડ અપ, એટલે 1/4 કરી દીધું. આમાં કોઈ ચેન્જ ન થાય. ફાઇન્ડ આઉટ ધ રેશિયો. दिस विल बिकम n तो तीनों में कैंसिल हो जाएगा. दिस विल बिकम 1/2. दिस ऑलरेडी 1/2 and this is 1. હજી સિમ્પ્લિફાય કરો અને 2 થી મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરી દો, ત્રણેય રેશિયો છે મલ્ટીપ્લાય થાય, 2 થી મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરશું એને તો આ શું થઈ જશે, ત્રણેયને મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરવાનું, એકને નહીં. This will become 1, this will become 1 and this will become half નથી, 1 છે ને, this will become 2. So what's the formula now? x1 y1 z2. formula will be xy z2. कोई और क्वेश्चन बनाएगा उसमें बोलेगा 1/4 ऑक्टाहेड्रल वॉइड कवर्ड अप, हाफ टेट्राहेड्रल वॉइड कवर्ड अप, उस हिसाब से आप रेशियो निकालिए. सेकंड थर्ड टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चंस बेस्ड ऑन वॉइड्स, octahedral void and tetrahedral void. Clear? Now one more question that is based on defect. जी के पेपर में पूछा है, बोर्ड में भी शायद पूछा है, डिफेक्ट के ऊपर क्वेश्चन कैसे है देखिए. टेक्स्ट बुक वाला ही बताऊँ मैं आपको ताकि आपको समझ आए. क्वेश्चन नंबर आपकी टेक्स्ट बुक में है 1.16 सॉरी 1.16. पीछे एक्सरसाइज में दिया हुआ. एनालिसिस shows that nickel oxide has formula Ni 0.98 O1. This type of compounds are called non-stoichiometric compound. What fraction of nickel exists as Ni2 plus Ni3 plus? मैथ्स है इसमें और कुछ नहीं, सिंपल थोड़ा इंटेलेक्चुअल से सॉल्व करना है. કેમેસ્ટ્રી નથી આની અંદર, શું છે, મેથ્સ લગાડવાનું છે. નિકલ ઓક્સાઇડ हैज फॉर्मूला Ni 0.98 ऑक्सीजन 1. अब ये जो Ni एटम दिख रहा है in this compound, in this non-stoichiometric compound, it exists as Ni2 plus as well as Ni3 plus. સપોઝ નિકલના 25 એટમ હોય, અત્યારે 0.98 એટમ છે, એ 0.98 માંથી અમુક પોર્શન છે Ni2 પ્લસ છે અને બાકીનું Ni3 પ્લસ છે. આપણે ફાઇન્ડ કરવાનું છે કે કેટલું છે. ટોટલ નિકલ એટમ્સ કેટલા છે ઇન ધીસ કમ્પાઉન્ડ? ટોટલ નિકલ એટમ્સ 0.98. See, in that out of 0.98, some are Ni2 plus and some are Ni3 plus. Let Ni2 plus x, then number of Ni3 plus will be 0.98 minus 3 minus x. Suppose 15 આ હોય, સોરી 0.45 આ હોય તો મને માઇનસ કરી દો. ટોટલ 0.98 છે. x will be plus 2 state and 0.98 minus x will be plus 3 state. Now we will neutralize it as it is all neutral compound. Apply કરી દઈએ neutralization. Total positive charge કેટલું? Total positive charge कैसे निकालेंगे? प्लस 2 वाले x हैं तो 2x, प्लस 3 वाले इतने हैं तो 3 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 0.98 माइनस एक्स. ऐसे निकालते हैं ना. सपोज 3 एटम्स आर देयर ऑफ Ni2 प्लस, व्हाट इज टोटल चार्ज? 6. सपोज 4 एटम्स आर देयर ऑफ Ni3 प्लस, व्हाट इज टोटल चार्ज? 12. चार्ज मल्टीप्लाइड बाय एटम, चार्ज मल्टीप्लाइड बाय एटम, दिस चार्ज मल्टीप्लाइड बाय एटम, दिस इज टोटल चार्ज. इफ वी सॉल्व इट देन वी हैव 2x प्लस 8 3 is 24, 4 carry 2, 2.94 minus 3x. So answer will be 2.94 minus x. This is total positive charge. What is total negative charge? Total negative charge will be एक अच्छे oxygen minus 2, that is 2. This is positive, this is negative charge. As the compound is neutral, positive charge is equal to negative charge. बेने इक्वेट करी, x ની વેલ્યુ ફાઇન્ડ કરવી. What will be x? માઇનસ છે, નેગેટિવ ચાર્જ છે બટ વેલ્યુ લેવાની છે આપણે. So 2 equals 2.94 minus x. So what will be x? X would be 2.94 minus 2. So it would be 0.94. This is the value of x. Percentage कैसे निकालेंगे? We have to calculate fraction of Ni2 plus and Ni3 plus. How to determine? This is the value of x. So how many Ni2 plus atoms are there? 0.94. How many Ni3 plus are there? 0.94 minus, sorry, 98 minus 94. So it would be 0.04. Fraction निकाल लो. Total है 0.98. What is percentage of Ni2 plus? 0.94 divided by 0.98 multiplied by 100. What fraction of nickel 3 plus present? This will be 0.04. Total share 0.98 multiplied by 100. This way we can determine fractions of percentage of Ni2 plus and Ni3 plus present. What we had done? Suppose nickel ion present as X. Ni3 plus will be this much because total nickel atoms are 0.98. We calculate total positive charge by multiplying charge by atom. This is the total positive charge. What is total negative charge? Oxygen minus 2 H and 1 H atom છે 2. Now as compound is neutral, positive and negative charge equate કરી X ની value find out કરી X મળી ગઈ એટલે બેના atoms મળી ગયા total પછી fraction ગોતી લેવાનું. So this type of questions will also be there in the defense. Okay, બાકી કે exercise સમ આપ solve કરી લેવાનું.